Hi everyone, my name is Maggie Steinkamp and I work at Bedford Industries as the talent specialist. This past summer, Bedford created an internship program to help benefit students in the surrounding communities with gaining hands-on experience in different areas of Bedford. In the past, we've had great success with our engineering interns, but we wanted to expand that to other areas of Bedford, such as electrical technology, IT, sales, design, and many others. Summer internships are a great way for college students to get hands-on experience in real-world situations that they may not be able to experience in a classroom setting. A great thing about being a Bedford intern is at the beginning of the summer, you're going to be paired with a mentor in your department that's going to be with you every step of the way throughout the internship. That means they'll help you with guidance on your projects, help answer any questions, and provide feedback. Here's what some of our interns had to say about their summer experience.
Hi, I'm Mia Nixon, and I'm the social media intern at Bedford. I'm in charge of working with the graphics team to create content for social media and just make it really eye-catching and engaging for potential customers. When I began at Bedford, I really wanted to get exposure to a good professional work environment and just learn more about social media, HR, marketing, things like that in a reputable company. My biggest influence has definitely been the graphics team. They give me a lot of direction and plenty of opportunities to try new things. They're always encouraging whenever I give them any kind of content, and they're not afraid to tell me what I can do better. My next step is attending the University of North Dakota for communications and space studies. I one day want to work in social media management for the space science industry, and I really feel confident that what I've learned here is going to equip me for my future.
My name is Sam Fellows. I'm an engineering intern this summer at Bedford Industries, and I help with additive manufacturing, which involves 3D printing. I also help out with engineers on projects they're working on. So when I first looked into the Bedford internship, I was really curious to see what engineering in a professional sense looked like, as I've only completed 1 year of classes. And they've done a really great job of showing me, illustrating to me what that looks like, and making me a part of it. I think one of my biggest influences was working with the maintenance team on a lot of different things, just seeing as problems came up, how they dealt with it, how they then communicated with the engineering team, and how that communication was so important. So growing up in Worthington, I've always been aware of Bedford, but I really didn't know any specifics of what they did or how they operated. So getting to work here has been incredible because I've learned a lot about Bedford, specifically how they've created such a culture and community here that it seems like almost everybody knows everybody, everybody's looking out for each other, and it's been just amazing to see too from an engineering standpoint how they can do almost everything in-house. They're not bringing in consultants to do basic engineering work. They have their own engineering department, maintenance department, manufacturing department. Everything they have is incredible, and it's something I don't think you can get in many other places. I'll be going back to school this fall and continuing my degree in engineering, and I'm really happy with what I've learned here at Bedford to carry into that, as I've gotten to see the engineering process from start to finish, from the pre-planning to implementing to prototyping to fixing problems. It's been an incredible way to build a basis of understanding of what just engineering is going to look like and how I can operate in a professional sense.
I'm Olivia Johnson, and I'm a sales intern here at Bedford Industries. I hope to gain from this internship an outlook on what I would want to do after college. I currently have my own baking business, and I wanted to do something with that, so I was looking at getting information about working with customers and how the sales field works in a real business. What sparked my interest about Bedford was when asking around about what it was like, everyone had positive things to say, and I wanted to check it out for myself. My biggest influence here at Bedford has been the sales team. They have encouraged me through my training because they were once in my shoes learning everything for the first time. Account representatives often make customer visits, and I am able to go with an account rep and go visit a customer, and I'm very looking forward to the experience that I'll get from that. Since being a sales intern at Bedford, I was able to experience that there's more to sales orders, and it's more working with the customer relations and internal personnel at Bedford. My future plans are to go back to SDSU and finish my degree in business economics. During my internship, I've learned many valuable lessons and experiences that I'll take into my future.
If you'd like to learn more about our internships, please visit our careers tab at bedford.com.